Hey folks, I welcome you all to this new course on French. So I thought I'll also start a course on French. And today we'll be looking at 5 basic words that are useful in day-to-day conversation. So let's start off with today's class. The first word is salut. Now if you'd have to greet someone, you'd normally use hi or hello. And that particular word in French would be salut. So if you'd have to say hi or hello Sachin, then you'd say salut Sachin. Similarly, if that person's name is Arvind, you'll say salut Arvind. So this is our first word, and this is what you'll use to greet someone. Next up, we've got je m'appelle. Now, if you'd have to introduce yourself to someone, you'd normally say, my name is. So my name is so and so. Now, the same in French would be je m'appelle. So you'd say, je m'appelle Bharani, which would mean my name is Bharani. Similarly, if your name is, let's say, Siddharth, you will say, je m'appelle Siddharth. And this is how you'll introduce yourself. Now, once we're done with introducing ourselves, we normally want to know other person's name as well. Now, if you want to know other person's name, you'll normally ask, what is your name? So, to ask what is your name, the French one would be comment tu t'appelles. So, comment tu t'appelles here would mean, how do you call yourself? So, which basically means, what is your name? So, if you'd have to ask someone's name in French, you'd normally say, comment tu t'appelles. Next up, we've got I am sorry. If you have done something wrong and you'd have to apologize in French, you'll just say je suis désolé. So here, je suis désolé would mean I am sorry. Next up, we've got our final sentence for today. So if you have to ask someone if that person speaks a particular language, you can normally say vous parlez anglais, which would mean do you speak English? Similarly, if you'd want to ask someone if he speaks French, you'll say vous parlez français. So here, vous parlez anglais would mean do you speak English? So folks, this was it for today's French class, and I've given you a basic gist of some of the words used in French. Now, in next class, we'll look at 5 new words or 5 new sentences that can be used in day-to-day conversation. So thank you very much.